The Sky Brush. Once upon a time, just outside the village of Masalya, among the mountains there was a tiny little workshop. Living in this workshop was a young girl named Rina. Rina's biggest dream was to paint the sky. Every morning she would wake up, look at the sky through her window and say, "Today, I will make you pink." But then she would look at her brush and remember that she could only paint her canvas, and she would feel sad. One night, while she was watching the stars in her room, a small speck of light floated down from the sky. As Rina stared in surprise, the light whispered, "I am Lumo, the Stardust Fairy. I know your wish. I have brought you a gift." The tiny light left behind a golden brush. "This brush makes your imagination real," said Lumo. Rina immediately opened her window. She reached her brush up to the sky and gently touched it, and suddenly the sky turned pink, purple, orange, and gold. The clouds became like cotton candy. The moon shone like a silver plate. Everyone in the village came out to watch the night. They gazed at the sky in awe. Rina's heart filled with joy because she realized when dreams are combined with courage, you can even paint the sky. From that day on, in the village of Masalya, even the nights were always full of color, because a little girl had followed her dream.